Welcome to What's Cookin' at Camposasso. We are Rebecca and Pierre, and we live between Florence and Chianti Classico with our two sons, Julian and Oliver, and our Australian Shepherd, Frisbee. We met each other while Rebecca, was guiding a Tuscan wine tour, and Pierre was visiting as a winemaker from France. Fast forward 15 years, we now run grape tours together, opened Formaggioteca Terroir, a cheese and wine bar in Florence, and recently we finished renovating our farmhouse, Camposasso, where we make olive oil, wine, and aged cheese. We love good wine and food, so we're inviting some of our favorite foodies to cook here at Camposasso to share a recipe and tell their stories. Ciao Filippo, ciao Ombretta, welcome to Camposasso.
Ciao Rebecca, come stai?
Buongiorno. Very good, and you?
Very good. Welcome.
Beautiful place here.
Thank you. And a beautiful day as well.
Yes, with the sun, it's perfect. Look, there is a wine door, right?
There is.
Something inside.
There is.
Oh, Pierre. Hello.
Ciao Pierre.
How are you? Very good. Thank you.
Grazie. Rebecca. So for you, to welcome you.
Thank you. Oh, pretty.
C'è un brindisi.
Salute. Ciao a tutti, sono Filippo Saporito.
Io sono Ombretta Giovannini. We are the chefs and owners from the ristorante La Leggenda de Frati in Florence. And today we are in Camposasso to prepare you our dish. Is a tortello, fresh pasta stuffed with pecorino cheese and a cream of asparagus.
The cheese was very particular because pecorino is a classic cheese in Tuscany. In the south part of Tuscany we use a lot of pecorino preparation, and in this case outside we have the walnut leaves that we bring usually in the May because give the pecorino this particular tasting. It's very tasting and very nice to eat.
Welcome inside my cheese cellar at Camposasso. I'm Pierre, and I was born on a sheep farm in France, where the famous French blue cheese, Roquefort, is made. After many years of being a winemaker in France, I'm now dedicated to the complex art of selecting, maturing, and refining cheese. Because of the special conditions in our cheese cellar concerning humidity, temperature, and ventilation, I can bring cheeses to their perfect maturation. Then, I bring them to the Formaggioteca Terroir in Florence, where you can taste them.
Hello Pierre.
Hi.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Comment ça va? You're good?
Hey, very
Good.
Okay.
Welcome in my paradise.
Yes.
This is
Very
really
excited.
paradise. Yes.
You need a bit of inspiration, maybe, to...
Maybe we have to make a tortello. We need something to make a stuff.
So something soft,
Pecorino,
nice. Okay.
medium. Well,
So we have to go on the left because this is for the blue cheese.
okay.
Let's go on this one. Come in. So we have different type of cheese here from France, from Italy.
very good.
So you prefer goat cheese or
No, pecorino cheese.
Pecorino
Yes.
cheese.
Will be.
So here we have a bit of pecorino here, but they're not mature yet, you see.
Oh, which
They're
kind
from
is?
Montalcino.
Okay.
Maybe too fresh. You're from Umbria, no?
Yes, I am. You have something?
I have a special one.
Yes.
This one, you know,
Bello.
10 months of aging for this pecorino cheese, made in Umbria.
Uh-huh. Like me.
Should
I'm
be
from
good?
Umbria.
Yeah.
Yes, I think it's perfect.
Bellissimo. Molto bello.
Ready to cut? We cut in two?
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Two pieces. Should be quite hard. 10 months.
You need to be strong.
Bello.
Wow.
Yes! Look at that. It's okay?
Perfetto per i tortelli.
Ready to cook?
Yes, right.
Yes. We need to prepare
We
the
need to go to
pasta.
the kitchen.
Yes.
To meet Rebecca, I guess.
Bello. Andiamo.
ready to cook in Camposasso. You guys are the very first. I can't wait. Let's go.
So we use two types of flours, semolina flours, 00 flours. We mix together. Like a half kilo of flour, we put 5 eggs.
Okay, whole eggs.
Yes, the whole eggs. So we start.
So is this how you cook at home? Who's cooking at home?
Me, I cook at home. And everybody has something to say every time. It's nothing good.
So the pressure is always on.
Yesterday night, I made gnocchi, potatoes gnocchi. It was wonderful.
Yes.
Everybody said, wow.
So tell us a little bit about your story, how you met. And we were talking about earlier that you've known each other for how long?
Yes, we met in the Culinary Institute 34 years ago.
Yes.
And after 4 years, we changed our vision. Very beautiful women.
Tell to Rebecca.
The history,
Yeah.
the original history. Okay.
Let's get the real.
Yes, after 4 years. I don't know in English.
Boots.
Arrived at the opening at Ombretta.
You have a beautiful restaurant in Florence that overlooks the whole city.
I think the most beautiful terrace in Florence.
Yes, I agree. When people ask me where can I eat really well and have a good view, I don't think there's a lot of places. This is the magic part.
Now it's difficult to find someone that make by hand the. I don't know if Filippo will be good pasta maker.
This recipe, we have two different preparations. One for the cream, and the one is completely raw.
Combine all the ingredients and knead by hand until you get a smooth dough. Cover the dough with plastic wrap or a bowl and let it rest for a couple of hours. For the filling, start by boiling the cream. Stir in the cornstarch, followed by the pecorino cheese. As soon as the cheese is melted, allow the mixture to cool. Roll out the dough as fine as you can and cut it into circles. Place the filling in the center of each circle and fold them into the typical tortelli shape. They will keep for around an hour, so if you don't use them quickly, you can freeze them. Set aside 4 of the largest asparagus. Blanch the remaining asparagus in salted water and then cool them in an ice bath. Reserve the nicest tips. In a pot, saute the shallots, then add the finely cut asparagus and cook, gradually adding hot water. Once cooked, blend everything into a cream, adding extra virgin olive oil. To finish, cook the tortelli a few minutes in boiling salted water. Bear in mind that the exact time depends on the thickness of your pasta. Plate the dish by spreading the asparagus cream on a plate, arranging the pasta neatly on top, and garnishing with the reserved asparagus tips and the previously peeled raw asparagus dressed with a fresh extra virgin olive oil. You have to see what they cooked for us today. It looks fantastic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Eccoci.
Whoa, look at that.
Buongiorno.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
See. So,
And the color is fantastic.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Perfectly with that.
Yeah.
Spring colors.
Yeah.
Spring colors.
Exactly. And now we know exactly how to do that because it was all explained. And I'm going to pair this plate with Trebbiano Spolettino because we have an Umbrian person
Yes, sure.
with Umbrian cheese and Umbrian wine.
Terroir. Terroir effect. We love that.
Exactly. So Trebbiano Spolettino. Filippo.
Bello.
Cin cin.
Evviva!
Evviva!
Grazie mille.
Grazie.
Salute.
So nice.
Stop.
Can we?
Yes.
Try.
Yeah? Dig in.
You have to.
It's delicious.
Oh, wow. It's like digging into a piece of art. I ruined it. Oh, look at that. That's the filling.
The asparagus. Yeah.
We did a good job.
You did a fantastic job. It is so delicious.
Proprio buono.
If this delicious dish made by Filippo and Ombretta hasn't made you want to go to their restaurant, I don't know what would. Don't miss the chance to experience La Leggenda dei Frati in Florence firsthand. Find all the info in the comments below, and if you've enjoyed it, please give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching along with us. You will find the recipe in the comments below. Remember that you can take a wine tour in Tuscany with grape tours, and you can taste our cheeses in Florence at Formaggio Tbsp. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, so we'll see you soon back here at Camposasso for a new recipe.